So guys, for the first method, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you want to click on settings. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on reset settings, and now you want to click on restore settings to the original defaults. You can untick this if you want to, and then click on reset settings. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head it with search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. See if that works. Now for the last method, you want to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now you just want to restore your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.